Guys, if you're a new investor in the stock market and I ask you how to make money in the stock market, your answer most probably would be you need to buy a share and then sell it. Unfortunately, this is the answer most of the new investors give when you ask such a question that what is the way to earn in the stock market. But let me tell you, there are more than one ways of earning money in the stock market. Today I'm going to tell you 5 different ways of making money in the stock market. The first one is, which all of us know, buy a share and then sell it. This is called capital appreciation. Second method is you can make money through dividends which are offered if you hold shares for a specific time period. Third method is you can make money through bonus shares. Fourth method, you can make money through right shares. And the fifth method is you can make money at the time of buyback of shares. So these were the 5 methods. If you're curious to know what all these methods are, don't worry, I'm gonna make a detailed video on each and every topic. I hope you learned something new. And if you want to explore the financial world along with me, then make sure to subscribe Finances Kushal right now. See you till then.